Hi guys, welcome to IAMABIKER. We have the new Bajaj Dominar 400 over here. Let's have a look at it. Do you like the bike, guys? So let's see what and all have came in this bike. We have can see the new windshield over here. Nicely designed. I think it can protect us from the wind blasts riding the highways and all. And you can see nice handguards over here. And there's a luggage rack and a backrest also. So this has a nice shape over here. You can support your back well, even though it's smaller in size. The luggage rack has a nice fit and finish, as you can see. And you will have a saddle stay also as an accessory. As now all these accessories you see in this bike will come with the bike. Only the saddle stay is extra as an accessory. And then we have a crash guard over here. Heavy bike like a Dominar 400 definitely should have a crash guard. And a bash plate over here. Even if you go on bad roads also, nothing can come and hit your engine or the silencer part of it. Silencer pipe actually. This will protect goes from that. It's nice fit and finish, and it's really hard. And then when you go near to the console, you can see a mobile charging port over here, and you can fix your mobile holder onto this. So now this all makes the new Dominar 400 touring ready bike. You don't have to put anything aftermarket. You don't have to buy anything from outside. Almost everything is coming as stock itself. So this is the new Dominar 400, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.